Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to fix Visa gift card activation problems step by step so you can start using your card without any issues. Step 1. Double-check the card details. Make sure you are entering the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV code exactly as shown on the card. Typos are the most common reason for activation problems. Step 2. Verify your billing information. Some Visa gift cards require a billing address to match the one associated with your account or purchase method. Make sure your address is entered correctly. Step 3. Check the card's status. If the card was previously activated, used, or reported lost, it may not work. Contact the customer service number on the back of the card to confirm its status. Step 4. Ensure the card is compatible for your intended use. Some Visa gift cards may be restricted to certain regions, stores, or online platforms. Review the card terms and conditions. Step 5. Try activating the card using a different method. If online activation fails, use the toll-free activation number provided on the card or try another browser or device. Step 6. Wait and retry if there is a technical issue. Sometimes activation errors occur due to network problems or system updates. Waiting a few minutes and retrying often resolves the issue. Step 7. Contact Visa customer support. If the card still does not activate, reach out to the support team with your card details. They can help troubleshoot and ensure your Visa gift card works properly. That's it. Following these steps should help you fix any Visa gift card activation problems. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful step-by-step guides.